In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track downloads in Google Analytics 4. By the end, you'll know how to turn on automatic file download tracking and where to find those events in your report so you can see which resources your visitors are actually saving. Start by opening analytics.google.com in your browser and sign in if prompted. Make sure you're working in the correct account and GA4 property for your website. You'll need sufficient permissions, typically editor or admin, to change settings. Next, open the admin area by clicking the gear icon in the lower left corner. In the property column, look for data collection and modification. This section centralizes key tracking configurations, and it's where GA4 manages features like enhanced measurement, open data streams, then select the web data stream for the site where visitors click to download files. If you have multiple streams, pick the one that matches your website's URL. Inside the stream details, find the enhanced measurement card and click the small gear icon to configure it. Here, turn on file downloads. With this enabled, GA4 will automatically log a file download event when users click links to common file types such as PDFs, docs, and CSVs. Review the setting, then save or confirm if prompted. From this point forward, download interactions will be captured without adding extra code. Now head to the reporting side. In the left navigation, click Reports. Open the engagement section, then choose Events. This report lists all events collected for your property. Scroll down to the Events table. Once data starts flowing, you'll see File Download appear as an event name whenever users click a tracked file link. To add more context to what's being downloaded, click the plus icon above the table to add a secondary dimension. In the picker that opens, choose Custom, then select File Downloads. This adds a breakdown that helps you understand the downloads in greater detail, such as distinguishing between different files or download interactions tied to this event. As you review, remember that standard reports may take some time to populate new data. If you've just enabled tracking, give it a little while before expecting to see consistent counts in this view. You can also adjust the date range at the top of the report to make sure you're looking at the period after the setting was turned on. That's it. You've enabled automatic file download tracking and learned where to analyze those events in Google Analytics 4.